Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Hogwarts Mystery application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To download Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery on Android is a straightforward process. Open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Hogwarts Mystery and search. Look for this application from Jam City Inc. and then tap on the install button to begin downloading Hogwarts Mystery application on your Android device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes, and you will be able to play Hogwarts Mystery from your Android device and enjoy. So that was how you can easily download and install Hogwarts Mystery application on your Android phone in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.